G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be looking at how to use a bow stringer to string a longbow. So a longbow such as this can require a great deal of strength to string the bow correctly. If you don't string the bow correctly, if you don't put the string into the nocks, then you can find that the limbs can damage or break, and that's obviously very, very dangerous. And there's a few videos out there of what can go wrong in that kind of scenario. So one of the better ways to do this is to use a method which involves the bow stringer, and it's very, very simple. Alrighty, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the bowstring to the nock on the lower limb of the bow. Then I'm going to feed one of these little, I guess, leather cups, for want of a better word, over that string. Okay, like so. You'll notice that the second end of the bowstring is just loose on the inside of the bow. Now I get the other of these leather cups and I'm going to place that over the bow itself, over the nock. Alrighty, the last step, I'm simply going to tread on this part of the bow stringer. That's going to apply equal tension to each of my bow limbs, and as that does so, I can then quite easily string the bow. It's really, really quick, it's really simple, and it's very safe, and it means that I'm almost as unlikely as I can be to cause any damage to the bow. So for the cost of $15 or so from pretty much any archery shop, you can get one of these things. And when you consider that a good bow can cost you from a few $100s to $1,000 quite easily, you know, it's a good piece of kit to help you save, you know, and help protect your investment. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We'll be building this channel approximately 1 or 2 videos every day, so hopefully achieving as many as 10 videos a week that we'll be publishing up on YouTube. We will soon be covering all types of topics across the whole medieval period, from weapons to religion to culture to dress. We're going to look at different societies and cultures and what made them succeed whilst others failed. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please leave a comment below, or you can message me direct through YouTube. Please feel free to share this video on your favourite social media platform, whether that be Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, as it helps us to build our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.